Here you can see like if someone is wanted to search like what is the pricing of the Microsoft Power Apps pricing inside Microsoft Bing or Google. So it will directly provide you this link. So depending upon that link, it will provide us different plans over here. So I'm going to explain you what are those, how you are going to uh, use that plans and how you're going to get the benefit out of it. Okay. So first is like they have subscription plans and they have pay as you go plan. So in subscription plan, what they have provided is like if suppose your business just uses very small like application, you have only two or three different developers, you just have like so small organization. So depending upon that, you can create it the application very fast in Canvas application, and you can deploy it in the one different you don't need to deploy it, sorry, my bad. You just use that, and you can use that application very fast, and it is it will going to help you. Okay. So for that, you need to use this subscription plan. Talking about the pay as you go plan, so that plan have the agility to like whenever the your users, they suppose you have 20 users. Okay, consider you have 20 users, and you just have like 10 users who will stay active throughout the month. So for that, you don't need to pay for different 10 users who are not using your application. So to tackle that situation, you can use this $10 pay as you go plan. So depending upon your business requirement, you choose these plans. Okay. Inside the subscription plan, you have two different plan. First is like pay per app plan. Second is per user plan. So if you can understand by using the per app and per user, that this means that like it will just have only one application. You can just create only one website or one app which will be running in the mobile, which will be created by the Canvas application, or you can create the website using the Power Portal or Power Pages. Okay. So that would be only one application. So here, as you can see, for $5, you have only one user, which can access only one application per month. So this is the costing of that. Okay. And inside that, you can create the Power Automate. You can use the Dataverse. You can have different types of your Power Pages. Okay. So, but the application should be only one. So hence, in this plan, you're going to create only one application. Either it is mobile, or either it is you can say a website. Okay. In so but suppose sometimes there are different users you need. Okay. You cannot go with the $5 plan. So there are suppose 10 developers, and you have like 20,000 users. So for that, and you have like internal one big suppose your organization very big, and you have suppose different applications which are interconnected with each other, where some applications are on the HRMS, some applications are related to finance, and they are interconnected. So in that regard, you can use this plan. So this plan is related to the per user plan. So if suppose you have like so much bigger organization, you will also able to get the 40% discount, which is available by the Microsoft for the Power Apps. Okay, Power App subscription. So this is the second topic, second point, as we have mentioned, which is nothing but the per user plan. Okay, for per user, it will cost you $20 per month. Okay, so now we are coming to the pay as you go plan. So this plan is nothing but similar to the Azure plans, which already available in the market. So what it does is like you just need to pay for active users per app per month. Means the one active user can access one app per month. So here we are paying for the active user. Suppose as I mentioned earlier, 20 users are there, only 10 users are active. So you just need to pay $10 into 10. So that cost will be around 100. But if suppose you took this plan for 20 users, you need to pay 20 into 20, which is nothing but the $400. Okay. So this is the difference between the different plans. Okay. Now we are going to, there are different things also, as you can see in the $5 plan, you will have 250 AI builder service credit per month. But in $20 plan, you will have 500 credits per month. Here you can access so many application. Here you can access only one application. So this is the difference. Okay. Then talking about the discount and all, so we can also explore the what are the features they are going to offer you. So as we have discussed, we can access only one application or one portal in the $5 plan, but in the $20 plan we can access unlimited applications. In $10 plan also we can access only one application. Okay. So regarding the data, we can use the predefined custom connector and pre-built connectors which are available inside the Power Apps. So by using that, you can connect to your data. You can customize your data. You can upload. You can do the card operations inside that. So there are also different uh, on-premise connectors and gateways. So that also you can use in all the different plans. Okay, so these are common things you can see over here. Storage and manage data. You can create the custom access entities and you can use that for using the Microsoft Dataverse. So this have different what we say, we can have some restrictions on the database capacity. So there are 50 MB database capacity in the $5 plan. If suppose you're using the $20 plan, it will have 250 MB data capacity. In 1 GB plan, it is one sorry, in for a $10 plan, it is 1 GB data capacity, but it will cost you as per the pay as you go per environment. Means you can consider you have developer environment, you have a production environment. So in dev environment you can use maximum 1 GB of capacity, and in development sorry, in production environment also you can use this 1 GB separately. So they are very smart while doing this. Okay. So the file capacity, if you consider, so in the $5 plan we have 400 MB capacity, file capacity, and in the $20 plan we have the 2 GB file capacity. But in pay as you go, it is similar to the database capacity, which is nothing but the 1 GB file capacity. We have the Power Automate workflows in our Power Apps, so you can use that workflows in all these subscriptions. There is no restriction over there. They are also including the premium connectors. Okay. This is asynchronous and real custom workflows also are there available, so you can use that also. So this is nothing but the related to the different subscription and plans. So you need to take this if suppose you wanted to go for the Power Apps. If suppose you wanted to use the Power Pages, okay. So here they have added this add-ons, and you can see Power Platform products. So related to Power Pages, you can see that for there are different types they have decided. Okay, so what are they doing is like they have their own authentication mechanism. Depending upon that authentication, you can use the authenticated user per website plan or anonymous user per website plan. So you are thinking like how they are authenticating the users per website and how they're going to manage all these things. Okay, so what are they doing is like they are using the 360 Microsoft 360 everywhere right now. So the users they are going to create in Azure Active Directory, and that users are going to get authenticated, and the authentication mechanism will be getting handled by the Azure Active Directory. So you don't need to worry about the authentication part. If suppose you are going for the $200 for 100 users per website per month plan, okay? So you can consider for 100 users per one website for 1 month, you need to pay $200. Okay. So if you are going to consider this for 100 users, it's very costly. Okay. But suppose you are using the anonymous user per website, so you are not going to get the authentication part, security part over here. You just need to do it by yourself, or you can just your website can be publicly accessible. Okay, so in that case, you just need to pay $75. Okay, here are two different things they have included. So this is nothing but the tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, nothing but the discount they are offered. If suppose you have the more users, you will get the more discount. Here you can see like you have 100 users. So for total 100 users, you need to pay $200. But suppose if you can consider the tier 3, inside that, if suppose you have 1 lakh user, for that 1 lakh user, for per 100 users, you need to pay $50 only. So it is nothing but just 0.5 dollar per user. Okay. This is very cheap as compared to other websites, and it is very cost efficient also. But if you wanted to go for the anonymous user, that is way cheaper than authenticated user, because there you need to pay for like per user you need to pay $0.5. But here that is way cheaper than that. If you can divide like 25 by 100, you will be able to see the uh, per user plan per user kept costing of that. So I think it might be around point 0.0125. So this is all about the pricing. Yeah, I forgot to mention this. If suppose you wanted to do any sentiment analysis or language processing, so you can use the AI builder, which is already provided by the Microsoft into the our what do you say, Power Apps. To do that, you can use that feature into the flows. You can directly add that task, or you can say actions into the your automatic flows, or you can also create the services, and you can add that services into your Power Pages and Power Portal. So that services will provide you the AI benefit into your application, and that will cost you like $500 per unit per month. So this is all about the pricing of the Power Apps. So in next topic, what we are going to see is like how we can create the our normal canvas application, and we can create the small mobile application using that. So that's it for today.